Good morning, my beautiful viewers. Let me ask you something. How many of you have owned a piece of equipment that lasted over 30 years? I'm standing here today with a 1995 Makita string trimmer, and it still runs like a champ. 31 years. And I'm about to show you exactly why. Now here's the interesting part. The only issue I've had in all those years, a spark plug. About 4 years ago I swapped it out with an NGK plug, top of the line, no question about it. But guess what happened? I went from 1 or 2 pulls to 3 or 4 pulls. Now I want to ask you, have you ever upgraded a part and somehow got worse performance? My secret to keeping this weed whacker running all these years is simple, and most people don't do it. I never store it with gas in the tank. I run it until it's completely out of fuel. That means the carburetor is empty. And let me tell you why that matters. Today's fuel, especially with ethanol, will gum up a carburetor faster than anything I've ever seen. Do you store your equipment with gas in it, or do you run it dry, as I do? Have you ever had a carburetor go bad just from sitting? What's the oldest piece of equipment you still own and use? Now here's another one, and this might get some comments going. I mix my fuel a little heavier on the oil side. For example, if I'm mixing 2.5 gallons and it calls for 2 ounces, I'm putting in 3. Now before you say it, no, it doesn't foul the plug. And yes, I know the EPA recommends less oil, but that's about emissions, not longevity. Do you mix your fuel exactly to spec, or do you tweak it a little? Have you ever burned up a 2-cycle engine? Would you rather have a little smoke or replace an engine? And here's a pro tip for you. I buy my fuel from Sheets. They carry ethanol-free gas. Just look for the red pump. That alone can add years to your equipment. Do you have ethanol-free gas in your area? Have you noticed a difference switching fuels? Now let's talk about weed eating. This is one of those jobs that starts out easy in the spring and turns into a full-blown workout by midsummer. The grass gets thicker, the weeds get tougher, and the heat, well, that's a whole different story. Today I'm out here in a coat, but give it a few weeks and this same job is going to have sweat dripping off my elbows. Do you weed eat weekly, or do you let it go a little? What's your biggest battle? Edges, fence lines, or around trees? Anyone else feel like weed eating is never really done? So there you have it. 31 years out of one machine. No magic, just good habits. If you got something out of this video, do me a favor. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and tell me what equipment you've kept alive over the years. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel grow. This is James Carpenter with Country Living, and I'll see you in the next one.